Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build 22623.1255, which is released to the dev channel. As a reminder, insiders who were previously on build 22622 will automatically get moved to build 22623 via an enablement package. Now, starting with this build, you'll be getting tabs in Notepad. With this update, you'll be getting support for multiple tabs, where you will be able to create, manage, and organize multiple files in a single Notepad window. You can also continue to work with files across multiple windows by dragging a tab out into its own window, and a new app setting lets you customize whether files open in new tabs or a new window by default. There are also new keyboard shortcut keys to support managing tabs, as well as some improvements to managing unsaved files, like automatically generating the file name/tab title based on content and a refreshed unsaved changes indicator. Moving forward, and talking about the fixes in build 22623.1255, for the taskbar and system tray, fixed an issue where Start would open behind the taskbar when entering it while using the touch keyboard. Fixed an issue where the taskbar would disappear when switching from task view to a Win32 app icon through the tablet-optimized taskbar. For the task manager, process names typed into the search box should no longer unexpectedly get spell checker. Fixed a couple of issues with how the narrator was reading out content in Task Manager. Fixed an issue where the dropdowns and settings might not match your currently selected theme. When using the search on the app history page, results should no longer suddenly disappear. If you open the default Start page dropdown in Settings, clicking the Task Manager window should make the dropdown disappear now. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.